Hey, this is Olivia Sabuyu. Another fine sunny day. It is 12:20 p.m. and well, I did like 4 hours and 30 minutes of work, which is good. And as you can see, it's really sunny and the streets are actually clean-ish. Not much snow, so then that's good. I'm still driving careful. Anyways, how is everybody? Kumusta po sa lahat? I just say the same thing but in a different language. Like I even know ¿Cómo estás? Or Nehoma. Well, anyways, so I just thought, hey, why not? Here's how traffic looks like a few days after a storm. Nice, eh? And I'm tempted to go normal speed, but I'm also just trying to be careful too at the same time. Maybe hear some music. I can't really think of anything to say right now. So, with this station right now is 95.9 FM. Okay, I try not to speed, but I was like almost there, so I try to make use of what I can do, and I try to make sure I'm safe. I'm not liking this truck. So how is everybody? I've noticed now I have 5 subscribers. Wow. Isn't that amazing? Wow. And for those of you who don't know, the term is like wow in Korean. I got that from a Hyundai commercial. Actually a catchy phrase. Wow. What did you do today? Nothing. And I almost ran the red light. That would have been bad. But I stopped, as you can see. This music is good. Yeah, so work was kind of steady. It wasn't too busy or wasn't too slow. What else is new? Oh, and I guess in about 7 days I will get older. I'll turn the big 4-0. Wow. I'm so hot. Wow. I get to enjoy my day off, and I'm not sure what I'm doing, but I think I'll enjoy the weather. I'm actually gonna try this new flatbread from Tim Hortons. I guess it's their version of the pizza. $6.99. I did a mobile order, and well, okay, I guess they already had it, but they were slow in realizing what my order was again, so I don't know. I wonder if people know what they're doing at that kind of work. Okay, I'm gonna focus, and I'm gonna go. So yeah, not snowing anymore. I guess you could say it's kind of the melting season, like from a snowstorm to whatever regular weather we have in Alberta. Yeah, the weather is really hard to predict, even if you pay attention to the weather forecast. Like the weather forecast could say one thing, and then you see another thing. I always try to follow this term I heard on a old cartoon or a TV show. Expect the unexpected. I try to follow that, which actually helps. Like sometimes with my work, at first it's probably slow and not much to do, but then I'm expecting eventually it will be busy, and actually that's like 80% true. I hope it doesn't snow on my birthday, because I had a plan, and I hope it goes well. Wait, wonderful pothole. They haven't fixed that yet. So what are your thoughts on birthdays? Do you guys celebrate it a lot? Do you just treat it as a normal day? Do you go, it's just an age, is just a number? Like, subscribe, and comment with positive vibes. And this driver's falling asleep. Wonderful. And actually, the fun fact, and it's true, so I say my birthday is actually in 7 days. I have a brother who has a birthday on March 4, and he's 1 year older than me. Cool, eh? And then actually I had a friend who had a birthday on March 1st, and then one cousin on March 6th, another cousin March 7th. I think my grandpa, my lolo from my mom's side, March 17. Let's see what else. Okay, and I guess that's all for the March birthdays. No. My sister-in-law, March 10th. So there. a lineup of March birthdays. And then in the next month, April, I think April 4, my niece, I think my niece's birthday is coming up. She's a little darling. March 7, a friend of mine. And then March 17 or 18 is one of my cousins. And then April, I'm stumbling. Yeah, I'm saying April 22, my other cousin's birthday. And then April 26th, another friend. So it's amazing how I remember that. Well, okay, I guess that's all for today. I hope you are enjoying what you see. Like, subscribe, and comment with positive vibes. Wow! Maraming salamat po for watching, and thank you for watching.